Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are at one of the most iconic location of Sanpada, which is also known as Billionaires Row. Welcome to Godrej Eternal Palm by Godrej Properties. But before starting, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Also hit the bell icon for latest notification of the projects in real estate. So if I talk about location, this is located in one of the most iconic location of Sanpada. यहाँ से आपको काफ़ी चीज़ें nearby है, right from your Washi station, your Juhi Nagar station as well as Sanpada station are just minutes away from the project. Not only this, the existing airport is just 35 minutes from the project. Also Chembur is just 10 to 15 minutes from the project and BKC is again 35 minutes from the project. So अगर आपका working towards South Bombay है या towards Mumbai है, so this is one of the center location where everything is just minutes away from the project, right from school, colleges, shopping center, everything is just minutes away from the project. Not only this, upcoming international airport is just 30 to 35 minutes from the project. इवन अगर आपका वर्किंग टूवर्ड्स नवी मुंबई भी है तो ये लोकेशन काफ़ी अच्छा है बिकॉज अगेन सानपाड़ा जैसे लोकेशन में एक अच्छा डेवलपर अभी तक नहीं आया था. सो अगेन आपको एक अच्छा डेवलपर विच इज़ वन ऑफ द टॉप मोस्ट डेवलपर बाय गोदरेज प्रॉपर्टीज़ आपको यहाँ पे एक लैंड पार्सल मिल जाता है. सो लोकेशन वाइज भी काफ़ी अच्छा है. As well as we will be going into the details of the project itself and we will be exploring the sample flats as well. So अगर मैं टोटल लैंड पार्सल की बात करूँ तो 1.63 एकड़ में स्प्रेड आउट है जिसमें 2 आइकॉनिक टावर्स आ रहे हैं, 2 ट्विन टावर्स जिसमें आपको 2 and 3 BHK अपार्टमेंट्स मिल जाएंगे where you will be having only 4 apartments in each floor. अगर मैं प्रोजेक्ट की बात करूँ तो ग्राउंड लेवल में आपको मिल जाता है रिटेल शॉप्स where all your basic necessities will be covered, right from your राशन, मेडिकल फैसिलिटी, सारी चीज़ें आपको ग्राउंड फ्लोर में मिल जाती है. Then you have a 4-level car parking, a dedicated covered car parking, and then podium में आपको मिल जाएंगे amenities. So there are 3 amenities, 3 level में divided है. One is in your ground floor where you are getting your cricket pitch court as well as your lawn tennis court, and then आपके podium में आ जाती है amenities जिसके अंदर आपको स्विमिंग पूल मिल जाता है, सिटिंग स्पेस, जिम एरिया. सो यू हैव अ 25,000 स्क्वायर फीट ऑफ क्लब हाउस. सो काफ़ी लो डेंसिटी प्रोजेक्ट है विद अ हाई लेवल ऑफ प्राइवेसी बिकॉज लिमिटेड इन्वेंट्रीज है एंड आपको एमेनिटीज़ वाइज भी काफ़ी अच्छे मिल जाते हैं बिकॉज 30+ एमेनिटीज़ रहने वाला है. एंड ये आपका रूफ टॉप में भी आपको एमेनिटीज़ मिल जाता है. सो 37 स्टोरी टावर रहने वाला है with all the branded fittings inside the flats because again it is a Godrej property. So अगर आपको पता ही है Godrej is well known for its brand. So अगर आपको एक ऐसे branded developer में सानपाड़ा जैसे location में मिला है then definitely you should invest here. The location is also very prime. अगर मैं amenities wise बात करूँ तो जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो ये ग्राउंड फ्लोर में आपकी amenities रहने वाली है जिसके अंदर आपका स्विमिंग पूल आ जाता है, किड्स पूल एरिया आ जाएगा, फिर आपका क्लब हाउस विच इज़ 25,000 स्क्वायर फीट विद all the amenities right from gym area, yoga room, everything will be just inside the project itself. Even आपको rooftop में भी amenities मिल जाती है जैसे कि sitting space जहाँ पे आप chill out कर सकते हो as well as आप यहाँ पे बैठ सकते हो, enjoy कर सकते हो. सो ऑफिस स्पेस भी आपको मिल जाता है, एक रेस्टोरेंट टाइप भी मिल जाता है. तो सारी चीज़ें आपको प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर ही मिल जाएगी, आपको किसी भी चीज़ के लिए बाहर जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. सो दीज विल बी योर रूफ टॉप एमेनिटीज़. सो यू ऑल्सो हैव एमेनिटीज़ इन द ग्राउंड लेवल, पोडियम लेवल एज वेल एज रूफ टॉप. So with all the luxury amenities and as well as high class security with 3-tier security, अगर आप ऐसा एक प्रोजेक्ट देख रहे हो वो भी सानपाड़ा जैसे लोकेशन में, डेफिनेटली दिस इज़ द राइट प्लेस बिकॉज यहाँ पे आपको स्पेशियस 3 BHK 2 BHK एज वेल एज जोड़ी ऑप्शंस भी मिल जाएंगे. अगर आप एक बड़ा कारपेट देख रहे हो तो आपको वो भी ऑप्शन मिल जाएगा. सो द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ गोदरेज विच आई ऑलवेज लाइक इज कि आपको यहाँ पे पूरी क्लैरिटी मिलती है, पूरी विजिबिलिटी मिलती है, व्हाट डोर वी आर गोइंग टू यूज, व्हाट लॉक्स आर गोइंग टू कम अप. सो आपको सारी चीज़ें यहाँ पे एग्जैक्टली हमने दे रखा है. सो यू कैन सी आपको क्या एग्जैक्टली मिलने वाला है. द सेकेंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज दी वाटर पाइपिंग. यहाँ पे हॉट एंड कोल्ड का एक अलग पाइपिंग हमने लगा रखा है वेर यू डोंट गेट कन्फ्यूज कि कहाँ पे आपका हॉट का वाटर आ रहा है या कहाँ से आपका कोल्ड का आ रहा है. सो यू हैव अ डिफरेंट पाइपिंग. इट इज़ वेरी सिस्टमेटिकली प्लेस्ड. सो जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे मल्टीपल कोट वॉल हमने लगाया है, वाटर प्रूफ 1 और वाटर प्रूफ 2 कोट एंड देन आपका टेक्सचर आ जाता है एंड देन द फाइनल कोट. सो देर आर मल्टीपल लेयर ऑफ कोट इन योर वॉल्स विच ऑल्सो हेल्प्स यू इन लीकेज या कुछ भी सीपेज हो रहा है तो वो मिनिमाइज करता है. सो अगेन दिस इज द बेस्ट पार्ट. सेकेंडली, अगर आप देख सकते हो कि क्या हम वॉल के अंदर क्या कॉन्क्रीट यूज करने वाले हैं, व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स वी आर गोइंग टू यूज, दिस आर ऑल्सो प्लेस्ड. सो आप ये भी देख के एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग ले सकते हो कि एग्जैक्टली कैसा रहने वाला है अबाउट द क्वालिटी ऑफ द टावर. सो द थर्ड थिंग इज द PU फॉर्म. अगर आप PU फॉर्म देख सकते हो तो ये आपको हेल्प करता है कोई भी अगर क्रैक हो रहा है या कोई भी वेट है उसको एब्जॉर्व करने में, मतलब सडन शॉक या कोई भी एडेड वेट है तो उसको मिनिमाइज करता है, एज वेल एज आपको क्रैक वगैरह नहीं आता है आपकी बिल्डिंग में. सो दिस इज अगेन वन ऑफ द बेस्ट थिंग. आपका बिल्डिंग हमेशा विदाउट मतलब क्रैक काफ़ी मिनिमाइज हो जाता है, लीकेजेस नहीं होते. सो दिस इज अगेन वन ऑफ द बेस्ट थिंग. सेकेंड चीज, अगर आप टाइलिंग देख रहे हो तो वाटर प्रूफिंग वाला टाइलिंग रहने वाला है. 2 लेयर्स ऑफ टाइलिंग दे रहे हैं. सो अगेन दिस इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट थिंग. अगर आप आते हो तो देखते हो, एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग आप ले सकते हो कि एग्जैक्टली कैसे रहने वाला है. Now the next thing is the electric connections which has been given. So ये काफ़ी less smoke है. So अगर कोई भी uncertainty हो जाती है, suppose there is a fire at your house, so this will provide very less smoke. So again this is very beneficially used, well designed and well placed, जैसा कि आप देख सकते हो. So this will provide you a less smoke which will definitely increase the visibility at the time of fire. So ये चीज़ें भी काफ़ी important होती है. This is again one of the most important thing. Second thing is this is one of the unique thing. So suppose आपके घर पे अगर ground floor में there is a fire, it will definitely keep cool the upper floor. Reason being because जो layer है there is a double layer which has been given, which will definitely help कि आपका जो upper floor है that is not affected. So this is again the unique thing which has been provided by the Godrej itself. Next is the window. कैसा window रहने वाला है, क्या glass देने वाले हैं हम, क्या exactly रहेगा. So these things are also provided. So काफ़ी कम developers होते हैं which give you the visibility, what proofing, what waterproofing we are going to use, what all unique things are going to come at your place where you are going to invest. So definitely ये आपको काफ़ी एक clarity देता है, what all door you are going to give, whether it is protected towards leakage and seepage, क्योंकि काफ़ी जगह आप developers के पास जाते हो तो leakage and seepage का complaint तो होता ही है. So definitely अगर आप यहाँ पे आते हो तो काफ़ी चीज़ें आपको clarity मिल जाती है कि क्या layering हम use कर रहे हैं, क्या waterproofing रहेगा, क्या सारी चीजें रहेंगी, and you will be getting a fair understanding. So this was all about the project. Now we are going to explore the sample flat. So now we are going to explore 3 BHK sample flat of 1254. So as you enter, you get a very beautiful foyer space where you can design as per you. आप यहाँ पे shoe rack लगा सकते हो. You can come up with a grand entrance. You will be getting a video door, as I already explained you about the door quality. So you will be getting the same door quality. Exactly आप जैसा देख रहे हो. So जैसे हम enter करते हैं, towards my left side is your kitchen, which is 11 by 8, very spacious, both side platform, sink area. You will be getting exactly same. You have a very good space in between as well. So अगर आप देख सकते हो, you have a very good space यहाँ पे, and you get a dry area where you can keep your washing machine, you can dry out your clothes, you can design as per your convenience. So the best part is, जैसे हम आगे बढ़ते हैं, one of the most important thing, refrigerator के लिए there is a double door which has been given in the sample flat. So you can put double door refrigerator. Again, this is one of the best thing which none of the developer thinks about. ज़्यादातर आपको single door ही मिलता है. So जैसे ही हम आगे बढ़ते हैं, here you can come up with a small space. It's a kind of a foyer space. आप sitting space बना सकते हो, और a coffee corner or a breakfast area in the morning, just waking up and sitting here and just enjoying your breakfast. तो आप ऐसा भी कुछ कर सकते हो. As per you, you can design your flat. As soon as we enter, you get a very spacious and a luxury living area. So this is your living area where you can easily put your sofa, you have a table, you have a TV unit. So it's a very good space. You can chill out. The reason being because again you get a very beautiful balcony area which is again very spacious, beautifully designed, as well as आप अपना view enjoy कर सकते हो. अगर you like hill facing, you can enjoy hill view. If you like road facing, you can enjoy that as well, depending upon your requirement. Even अगर आपको इसको terrace type बनाना है तो आप वैसा भी कर सकते हो, because balcony is very spacious, बड़ा है काफ़ी. आप अपने हिसाब से gardening वगैरह भी कर सकते हो. So as we move forward, Towards my right side is your dining space. So this is your L-shaped dining space. L-shaped living and dining. So यहाँ पे आप आराम से अपना dining space बना सकते हो. It's beautifully designed. You can design as per you, because again this is a very good space which has been given for dining space as well. So going forward, towards my right side is your washroom area, which is designed keeping in mind the comfort of old age people as well. So if you can see, it is very spacious with all the branded fittings. Exactly जैसा आप देख रहे हो वैसा ही मिलने वाला है, except the interior parts. Towards my right side is your bedroom area, which is again well designed. If you can see, you will be getting a half French window and a half open space. So you can sit here, you can enjoy a view, you can take a feel of a balcony, because again it is a full length French window where you can stand here, you can enjoy your coffee, just seeing the view, because you will be getting hill view or towards the road facing, whichever you are comfortable. So going forward, towards my left side is your second bedroom, which is again beautifully designed the same way. Half French window and half movable, where you can stand here, you can enjoy, and it is having a very good space. Even if you put your bed, you can still walk away from here. आप यहाँ आराम से walk कर सकते हो. Wardrobe के लिए there is a very good space. Towards my right side, again the master washroom, which has been designed keeping the comfort of old age people as well, because it is very spacious, well designed with all the branded fittings, exactly same which you are saying you will be getting, except the interior parts. So जैसे ही हम आगे बढ़ते हैं, then again towards my right side is your master washroom with the cross ventilation window as well. So window has been also provided here with all the branded fittings, exactly same except the interior parts. So again this is also very spacious. Moving forward, this is one of the beautiful bedroom, which is 11 by 17, which is very spacious. Matlab, you can just put your bed, you can put your sofa area, as well as you can stand here. You have a French window, half fixed and half movable, so you can stand and enjoy your view as well, just taking a sip of coffee, and you can enjoy the view, because again the view is very beautiful. Secondly, we have also given a cross ventilation window as well in the master bedroom. So you have a cross ventilation window as well. So all the flats are well designed, cross ventilated, and you have a very big wardrobe space. If you can see, it is very beautifully designed. Depends upon you. If you need a bigger wardrobe space, definitely you can go for it, or you can go for a sofa space and a wardrobe space as well. So this was all about the flat of a 3 BHK, but if you need more bigger flat than this carpet, then we also have that option as well. We have 1400 plus 3 BHK, we have a 2 plus 3 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK Jodi apartment are also available in the layout itself. In each apartment we have only 4 flats. So the best part is that it is a very low density project which gives you a very high level of privacy. So whenever you inquire at any website, you get multiple calls and you get irritated. So definitely here you can directly talk with the sales representative. If you are an NRI customer, definitely you can call us. We can arrange a Zoom meet for you, as well as for our outstation customers as well. If you have any doubt, please call us on the given number. So right now we are running a very good payment plan which will definitely attract you more to invest in this project, which is 20% now, then 20%, 30-30. So this is a very good payment plan. So definitely if you were planning कि आप कुछ time बाद purchase करो in the Sanpada location, looking at this flexibility of the payment plan, you can definitely plan for booking in Sanpada with one of the branded developer, that is Godrej Properties. So for more information, you can definitely call us कि how this payment plan works. We can definitely guide you on the payment plan itself. So this was Godrej Eternal Palm for you by Godrej Properties. I hope you have got all the information about the project. If you have any doubt, you can definitely call us on the given number and you can book your site visit. If you need any pricing, layout and brochure, you can check out the description link and you can download from there. So this is Diksha signing off.